Alright, welcome back to Everyday I Race. Today I'm going to be upgrading my map sensor from the stock 1 bar map sensor to a GM 3 bar map sensor. So first, what does map sensor do? Well, MAP stands for mass air pressure. Its main job is to measure pressure that's in the intake manifold. This one's a 1 bar map sensor, so it's only able to measure negative pressure that's in the intake manifold. It cannot measure any positive pressure that the turbocharger or any kind of force induction provides to the engine. So it's pretty useless in boosted applications. So I'm going to be replacing it with this GM 3 bar map sensor. As you can see, it's pretty similar to the 1 bar map sensor, except it's able to measure 3 atmospheres of pressure instead of 1. So it's able to see negative 14.7 psi at sea level. It's able to measure 0 psi at sea level, so that's 1 bar. Then it's able to measure 1 positive atmosphere, which is 14.7 psi at sea level. And it's also able to measure another additional 14.7 psi, which equals to 29.4 psi. So that's a third bar or atmosphere. So the wiring is pretty similar. It has 3 wires going to it. So it's got a 5-volt reference voltage, we got a ground voltage, and we got the ECU output wire. So this is how the sensor, or this is where the ECU gets information from the map sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in. The only thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to use a bigger hose, vacuum hose. As you can see, there's a small difference. And I'm going to recalibrate my ECU, my aftermarket ECU, so the ECU understands the language that this sensor is speaking, which is a little bit different than this one. I'm going to post voltage to pressure graphs for 1 bar, 2 bar, and 3 bar map sensors at the end of the video, so you can see exactly what the differences are. So I better get to work. Thank you for watching.